Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for ellipse. Kindly refers to the questions. An ellipse with the function ax squared plus y squared plus bx plus cy plus with the 1 equals to 0 passes through the points with the coordinate 0, 1, 1, negative 1 and 2, 1. A. Find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Hence, state the center and the vertices of the ellipse. Followed by B. Find the foci of the ellipse and finally sketch the graph of the ellipse. So first, kindly substitute the point into the general equation of the ellipse. So for the point 0, 1, if we substitute and we will have 1, 0x, then we have plus c plus with the 1 equals to 0. So from here, c is equals to negative 2. Next, we have the second point, 1, negative 1. So if we substitute and we will have a plus with the 1 plus with the b minus c plus with the 1 equals to 0. So kindly rewrite the situation. We have 2 plus with the a plus with the b minus the c. So kindly substitute. So we will have plus 2 equals to 0. Finally, a plus with the b plus 4 is equals to 0. Next, the third point where we have 2, 1. So if we substitute and we will have 4a, continue, plus with the 1, plus with 2b, and then we have plus c plus with the 1 equals to 0. So kindly simplify. So we have 4a plus 2b, substitute the negative 2, and we will have equals to 0. So kindly make use of this part, where we have a is equals to negative 4, negative b. Kindly substitute into this part. So we have 4 multiplied with negative 4, negative b, plus with the 2b equals to 0. So we have negative 16, negative 4b, plus with the 2b equals to 0. So kindly rewrite the situation. So we have 2b is equals to negative 16. So b is equals to negative 8. Then substitute the situation into this part. So the value of a is equals to negative 4 plus with the 8. So a will be equals to 4. So finally, we have a equals to 4, b is equals to negative 8, and the c is equals to negative 2. So kindly substitute the value into the general equation of the ellipse. So where we will have 4x squared plus with the y squared minus 8x minus 2y plus with the 1 equals to 0. So here we have the general equation of the ellipse. Next, what we have to do is to express the situation in the standard form. So kindly completing the square. Focus on the part x, where we have 4x squared minus 8x. Factorize the 4 and we'll have x squared minus 2x. Completing the square. So 4 multiplied with x squared minus 2x plus bracket negative 1 squared plus minus negative 1 squared bracket. So 4 multiplied with x minus 1 bracket square minus 1. So 4 multiplied with x minus 1 bracket squared minus 4. So that is the x part. Focus on the y part. So y squared minus 2y plus with the 1 equals to 0. Kindly completing the square. Plus bracket y squared minus 2y plus bracket negative 1 squared minus negative 1 squared plus with the 1 equals to 0. Simplify. Plus bracket y minus 1 squared minus 1 bracket plus with the 1 equals to 0. So plus we have y minus 1 bracket squared equals to 0. Rewrite the situation. So we have 4 multiplied with x minus 1 bracket squared plus we have y minus 1 bracket squared equals to 4. So kindly divide all the terms with the 4 so that we can have the standard form. So finally, we have x minus 1 bracket squared over 1 plus y minus 1 bracket squared over 4 equals to 1. That is the standard equation of an ellipse. So next, we have the first step, we have the standard form. Second step, identify the center where we have 1, 1. Third step, identify the value a is equals to 1, b is equals to, here we have b squared equals to 4, so b is equals to 2. Finally, we have c is equals to square root of 4 minus 1, so c is equals to square root of 3. So based on the value a and b, we notice that we have the major on the y, and here we have the minor. So kindly refers to the graph. So kindly plot the center, we have 1, 1. So that is the center. Next, illustrate the major and the minor axis. So followed by list down or label the center. We have 1, 1. Next refers to the A, where we have to shift towards the left and right for 1 unit. So here we have the minor vertices 0, 1. Then moving towards the right hand side for 1 unit. So here we will have another minor, which is 2, 1. Next we have B, which is equals to 2, moving upward for 2 unit, moving downward for 2 unit. So moving up for 2 unit, so we will have the situation V is equals to 1 and 3. Moving downwards for 2 units, so again we have here vertices, which is 1, negative 1. So kindly sketch the ellipse. So here we have the ellipse. Next is to find the foci. So here we have the foci. So we have to moving upward for square root of 3 unit. So meaning that we have 1, 1 plus with the square root of 3. Another foci would be 1, 1 minus square root of 3. So kindly list out the situation. So here we have the center and then the major vertices, which is 1, 3 and 1, negative 1. The minor vertices, where we have 0, 1, then we have 2, 1. Foci, we have 1, 1 plus square root of 3, 1, 1 minus square root of 3. Then regarding the major length, so we have 4 unit, and then minor length, we have 2 units. So that is the situation for these questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.